8000 the best representative of electric boats. Range 100 nautical miles. Engine 170 kilowatts. Battery 126 kWh. Maximum speed 30 plus knots. Cruising speed 20 knots. I would also introduce another result of electrification, the Chinese Flay car Xpeng LLC. But since it is not available for sale and there is no way to order it, I would like to introduce you to the European-made flying electric car, FLEN, Jetson Aero, sales of which have already begun, with the order list stretched out until 2027. Electric flying car, Jetson Aero, range 25 kilometers per h, speed 60 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per h. Next, I would like to introduce an electric helicopter.